I'm Andrea Patin from the Dougherty Art School, and today I'm going to give you a little glimpse at my home studio setup. So right now I have this small space in my house that I'm working from. I have a lot of storage for various art supplies, a lot of pottery over here. I do hand-built pottery, so the good thing about that is I don't need any special equipment like a throwing wheel or anything, so I can make a lot in this small space, and then I have a friend with a kiln who will just fire it off-site for me. So I love a larger space someday, but right now I'm just really thankful to have this and to have a place to work. So for as far back as I can remember, I've always loved making things, working with my hands, making various arts and crafts projects. And when I went to high school, they had a really great black and white darkroom program. So that's when I started to get more serious about it. And then I went on to the University of Texas and I got my BFA in studio art there. I teach black and white photography at the Dougherty, but I also like to make work out of a lot of found objects. Behind me is a map of Texas I've made using a lot of bottle caps. And right here is a chandelier I'm working on, and each one of these is a mountain laurel seed that I've drilled holes into to make beads out of, but still not quite finished, so it's got a ways to go. As you can see over here, I make a lot of little prickly pear cacti. So I have a bunch that have gone through the bisque firing. So before that firing, I painted them with an underglaze, and I'm gonna add some more decoration before I put it through its second firing. So I'll show you how I do that. Here I have this low fire glaze, and I'm going to use this tool to add dots inside of all these white circles. Now I'm going to take this pink low fire glaze and paint it onto the prickly pears on top. So when I'm all done, I'll send it through the second firing. It'll look something more like this. You'll see where I put the low fire glaze, it'll be nice and glossy, and then that underglaze will darken up a little bit. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you check out the rest of the Dougherty's videos and learn how to make something new. Bye-bye.